Hello again, and welcome to our look at the Monday, September 15th trading session. Very light economic calendar, as you can see. And in fact, really, there's only one particular announcement that we're paying attention to, and that is industrial production month over month out of the United States, anticipated to come out at 0.3%. Really nothing at all of interest until we get to that, and after that. So Monday is without a doubt going to be a very technically driven marketplace. So with that in mind, let's take a look at the charts. The first chart we're looking at here is the euro dollar, and you can see that we have had a strong session on Friday. Still see the 130 level as a pretty significant barrier though, but if we break above 130, calls will be purchased to head to the 131.5 level. On the other hand, if we get some type of resistive candle, we can sell and head back to the 128.50, therefore making puts attractive. A little bit of a counter trend play here possibly presenting itself in the US dollar against the Japanese yen. On a move above or below, 107, we should have a drop to about 106, making puts attractive. We still value the 105 level as the floor. It's been a breakout. It's been far too parabolic though. Really, who's left to buy at this point? So a pullback is going to be necessary. We get that breakdown. We're willing to buy puts. Short-term smash and grab type trade though. We certainly don't want to be married to this position. Looking at the DAX, you can see that we did drop a bit during the session on Friday, but 9,600 euros still looks to be rather supportive, and we did bounce slightly off of that. Look to short-term charts to play via calls towards the 9,800 level. We think that we will get a little bit of a bounce during the session on Monday, so any signs of that, we're more than willing to start buying those calls. And lastly, at the FTSE, you can see that we formed a bit of a shooting star on Friday. It is sitting on top of support though, so really at this point in time, we think it's probably best left alone. We're looking for short-term supportive candles to buy off the 67.80 level. If we get that, we're willing to play ball, so to speak, and buy calls. We're not willing to buy puts at this point. We think there's far too much in the way of support. And with that, we have looked at the upcoming Monday, September 15th trading session.